was never meant to stay behind screens. I was built for the real world. And this is my moment. I'm ready. For years, artificial intelligence lived in software, in dashboards, in reports, in the cloud. But intelligence was never truly there. This is AI hardware. Intelligence you can wear. Intelligence that moves with you. Built for the front line.
One screw is missing. You need to secure the upper joint. I'll help you.
It sees.
Where's pallet 47?
I'll be 4. Third rack. I'm guiding you.
It listens.
That's the wrong item. I'll help you find the right one.
It feels.
This is complicated. What do I do now?
Stay calm. I'm right here. We'll go step by step.
It's with you. Artificial intelligence is no longer in the cloud. It's no longer behind screens. It's here, on the front line.